For adding and subtracting mixed numbers, we create two new problems where our first one is going to be just looking at the whole numbers in front. So we're going to change that to where it's 3 plus 5, add those together, equals 8. Then for our second one, we've got 2/5 plus 3/8. So we're going to rewrite that as a second problem, 2/5 plus 3/8 equals, and now we're going to have to change our denominators to make those equal. 5 and 8 both go into 40. So we'll multiply this by 8 over 8 to turn that first one into a fraction over 40. We'll multiply the second one by 5 over 5. So then we will have 2 times 8 is 16 over 40, plus 3 times 5 is 15 over 40. Add those together, and we get 31 over 40. So now we can combine our whole number of 8, our fraction of 31 over 40. So our final answer would be 8 and 31/40. Again, if you can, reduce that fraction.